Check out the all-new 2025 King Aire Double Decker, a masterpiece of luxury, innovation, and road presence that redefines what it means to travel in style. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling 5-star hotel with engineering and design that make it feel like a private jet on wheels. As soon as you lay eyes on it, the sheer size and elegance demand attention. With its towering double-decker frame, bold chrome accents, and a paint job that looks more like automotive art than anything else on the road, the King Aire doesn't just travel, it dominates. Step inside, and you're welcomed by the kind of luxury you'd expect in a penthouse suite. The main floor offers a full residential-style living space with premium leather recliners, a massive LED TV with theater sound, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and a full-sized refrigerator, all wrapped in sleek cabinetry and quartz countertops. Head upstairs, and things get even more impressive. The upper deck serves as a panoramic lounge with floor-to-ceiling windows that provide stunning views no matter where you park. Some models even feature a second bedroom, office space, or a gaming and entertainment zone, fully customizable to suit your lifestyle. Of course, it's not just about luxury. Under the hood, the King Aire packs a powerful diesel engine that ensures smooth, confident cruising even with its massive size. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and air ride suspension make it a dream to drive despite its stature. You also get smart home integration with voice and app controls for everything. Lighting, temperature, security, even your window shades. Solar panels and a powerful lithium battery system keep you off-grid for longer, while a high-end water filtration system ensures you're drinking pure, clean water wherever you go. This isn't for the average RV traveler. The 2025 King Aire Double Decker is built for those who want the best, who live life on the move but refuse to compromise on comfort, luxury, or style. It's a home, an office, a getaway, and a statement, all in one. So whether you're chasing sunsets across the desert, cruising the coastline, or setting up camp in the mountains, the King Aire takes the experience to a whole new level. This is the future of luxury travel, and it's sitting on 12 wheels of pure class. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 King Aire Double Decker, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic reviews. See you on the road.